Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to do a bag review. I just did a YSL bag review, so now I'm here to do a review on my Louis Vuitton and my Steve Madden crossbody bag. For that review, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I'm gonna jump straight into this here bag review. Okay, y'all, I hope I'm in focus, because my computer that my mom gave me is not working, and I'm not gonna let that stop me from filming. Well, I'm gonna start off with Steve Madden first. So if y'all been following me on Instagram, which y'all should, I'm gonna leave it across the screen. If you're not, I purchased a what is this called, a belt bag from Steve Madden to match my Maximums. It's called Blush, I think, but this here bag is called Cream, but it matched my sneakers perfectly, like dead on. If y'all didn't know, my daughter and I, we did go to Disney World, and I took this bag and I took those sneakers, wore the sneakers and the bag to the park, because I felt like when I was in Disney, I didn't want to have to worry about, you know, carrying a bag that I got a baby, watch, or whatever. And then, you know, with Florida, it rains at any given minute. Figured, okay, let me just pull out my Steve Madden bag to match the sneakers. Now I will try and insert a picture of what I wore. I did wear like Mickey merch. I had the ears, I had the shirt, I had on some blue jeans, and like I said, I had on my Steve Madden sneakers. So I wore this bag, and let me just tell you, I love the bag. I love the bag, but guess what ended up happening, you all? Like, I just feel like, am I cursed with the color transfer bug? Like, for real, y'all, I ended up experiencing color transfer with this hair bag. I'm not tripping about this particular bag having color transfer. Hair bag, you can only wear it against your chest. Like, you can't switch sides on this hair bag. I couldn't believe it. Like, I don't know, y'all. I was not worrying about, you know, okay, don't wear blue jeans with it or whatever. I don't know, you all. I just wasn't. After I wore the bag, I did notice I have color transfer. Do you see it? Try and use the alcohol trick that I ended up using with my Louis Vuitton bag. So I was just like, what the world? But like I said, I'm not tripping, because I still love the bag. I'm not returning it or anything like that. I'm keeping it. Like, it's not going anywhere. I just wanted to let you know, if you purchase this bag, just be mindful of what you wear. Like I said, this here whole thing can turn black. You will never see it, because the way you wear it is against your body. It is front ways. I mean, if you want to turn it around and wear it like that, you can, but for me, I would never wear it like that. So any color transfer that's on this bag, you would never see, because like I said, it will be always against my body. But I just wanted to get on here and just kind of let y'all know what happened with me. I did wear the bag all day at the park. When it opened, I think like around 9-10 o'clock, and we did leave like around 6. So I had the bag on for a while. I took it off. I'm not sure, but yeah, you all have this bag. Let me know if you experience any of that, you know, any color transfer issues or anything like that. Like, I see it even on the strap right here. I don't know if it's my clothes I'm wearing. I just don't know at this point, you all. Like, I don't even know if this real leather, something that will concern you with this here particular bag. Now, I do see this bag in other colors like black. I'm sure with black you may not have to worry about anything. Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and share this really quick update. Like I said, I love this bag. This is what I carried in the park. The best thing for me to carry, because I was going to carry my Gucci, but then when I said I wanted to wear my Steve Madden sneakers, I was like, nah, I ain't gonna wear the Gucci, wear this. And I'm glad I did wear this, because like I said, I did not baby this at all. I was able to wear this bag on. I think I wore this on the King Kong ride, the that Dr. Seuss ride. I wore this on a lot of rides in the park, and like I said, it came in handy because I didn't have to worry about having something on my shoulders. I didn't have to worry about anything on my back. It was just across my chest. I was able to pull out things when I needed it, like needed to show my fast pass, well, what is called the express pass at Universal. I just grabbed my phone, showed them, and I was able to put it back in my bag. I do highly recommend this hair bag, but I just wanted to get on here and kind of share what happened to me wearing this bag for a full day at Disney. It could have been a whole lot of things that was going on, because for one, Disney is super duper hot. Could have been my pants were new, because I did get those jean shorts from Walmart. I didn't wash them, so I don't know what happened. But like I said, I'm not tripping, so I'm not here complaining or talking bad about anything. I'm just here putting it out here to let y'all know. So if you do decide to purchase this bag, just be mindful on what you wear. Just want to come on here and share that. So now moving on to the showstopper of this hair video, it's my Neverfull, because I don't think I did a review on this hair Neverfull, and if I did, I'm here to do another one. So I wanted to tilt the camera down so y'all can focus mainly on this hair bag. When I tell you this has been the best purchase ever for me, like this was one of my first Louis Vuitton purchases. My first purchase was the Speedy B bandolier. A lot of Louis Vuitton videos, so everybody was hyping up the Neverfull back then, so of course I ended up purchasing the Neverfull. I think I purchased this back in 2012, so it's not quite 10 years old. I think it was 2012, you all. Unboxing on this, and it was back then when I used the Beyonce song. They had flagged my video, so I'm not sure if it's still up. If y'all are OG and y'all watch this here unboxing, let me know down below, because it would be nice to know, you know, who been around since way back when, to like back then, back when I was filming off of my computer. Because back then when I did the Louis Vuitton unboxings, I was filming off of my Apple computer, and I still had an Apple computer, y'all. I'm gonna tell you, Apple computers are worth every penny, because I still had that computer. But anyway, you all, I purchased this at the Louis Vuitton store, the actual standard store, not the one that's inside of Saks or Neiman's or one of them stores. This bag, it was the raw leather. And this hair bag, I remember when I first got it, I did baby it a lot. Like I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wear this, it's rain. I would cover it with something to wear. Child, now, because I took this bag on the plane with me. This was my carry-on on the plane when I went to Disney. Like I said before, Disney moment, and when I was at the outlet, it just started raining. So having this bag so long, I don't even baby it. I don't even baby this bag no more. Of course, if it was pouring down raining, I would try and cover it. It's open to where as though stuff in the inside can get wet. But far as me protecting my bag and all, I don't do that anymore. To me, it's the perfect patina. Like perfect. It's not too dark and it's not too light. Like it's just perfect, you all. This bag is forever ever my favorite Louis Vuitton item, because this hair bag holds so much. Like they never lied when they named this a Neverfull, because Neverfull. The only thing I will say, depending on how you pack it, it will, for me, it digs into my shoulder. That's why I stopped carrying this as a carry-on bag. Philly, and not only that, when I go see the grandkids, I don't want to really have to worry about, okay, y'all don't touch my mom's bag because your hand's sticky or whatever. So when I go to Philly to see the grandkids, I take my my Longchamp, because you know that's a carefree bag. You can also throw that in the washer. Go on my grown-up trips, of course I have to bring out the luxury items, and this is what I normally carry when I go to the airports. I was looking into the larger size, but I don't think I would invest in that, because I don't think I would get too much use out of it. Because like I said, when I mainly go to Philly, I carry my Longchamp bag. I am looking to purchasing another color, and plus I want the newer version of the Longchamp in a larger tote. Maybe looking into one of the Marc Jacobs larger totes, so when I travel back home, I don't have to you know, worry about my luxury items. Purchased this bag. This was like the newer Neverfull, because it go way back. The insides were like the tan inside of the Neverfulls, because it had that pretty Louis Vuitton writing in the inside. With this one, it doesn't have that fancy writing. Tan inside did. Said this was one of the colors that had came out, and I think after I purchased this bag, they ended up coming out with the light pink. And I think back when I purchased this bag, this is when they introduced the pouch. This is like an extra little purse or something you can carry without the Neverfull. It doesn't hold a lot because of the way it's shaped. It'll hold like your cell phone, your credit cards, your car keys, and your money. You can zip this and use this as a wristlet. Pouch is still in good condition, like really good condition. Now this one, it do show somewhere, I was saying, like the inside of it, it's like a lot of lint and dust in the corners. I turned the bag inside out and tried to clean it, but I don't know, you all, I just can't get all of that out. Because plus I was scared to put soap and water to the bag because I wasn't sure if it would cause any damage or anything. I was thinking of taking my vacuum cleaner and trying to clean it, because if you can see in this corner here is where the bag has like a lot of dust. Really soft, you all, because I guess the sun and everything else. In the inside you have your one zipper pocket, and do lifts up like so, and it has your Louis Vuitton. Like I said, the tan interior had that pretty fancy Louis Vuitton right in here, which closes the bag. Like I said, it's not a zipper top, so everything is exposed. So that's why if it rains really hard, you will have to be careful. I guess you could cinch the sides in. I never cinch my sides in, but I guess if it was raining really bad, to protect my insides, I would probably cinch the sides of the bag and fold it down like so, just to protect it. And then I also got, did I get it? I thought I got a hot stand. Well, I didn't get this bag hot stand. Like this here is another bag that will forever stay in my collection. I love this bag a whole lot. If I didn't mention, it do come with a D-ring, and this is what would have been nice if they would have had in the Montessori backpack, to where as though you can attach your keys. School around the corner, if you are looking for a luxury type of bag for school books, this here is a great school bag. This here can hold a laptop, it can hold an iPad, it can hold books, it can hold a lot of things. But take in consideration that if you do fill this up with a lot of stuff, eventually it will wear into your shoulders. This is the way my bag patinaed. Like I said, it's evenly, it looks really nice. Some areas may be darker than others. Here is the inside one more time. Like I said, the bottom do not have any feet. Love this hair bag. I like the monogram a whole lot, but with the monogram you do have to baby. That's why I was looking into purchasing a Neverfull in the Damier bean print. Like, nah, I'll just keep what I have, because I didn't want to purchase two of these here bags. They are expensive, and for me, I just, if I'm gonna spend that kind of money, I'd rather get something different. Now, I'll purchase multiple bags like in Coach and Marc Jacobs, but when it comes to luxury items, I just feel like if I can gather up enough money to purchase like another one of these, I'd just rather purchase a whole different style of a bag. And I think, if I can remember, when I purchased this bag, I think I paid like $1,200 or $1,300. I know it was under $1,300, y'all, but when I went online, this bag, I think, is up to $1,600, I think. I'm like, damn, Louis Vuitton. I guess that's about right, because like I said, I purchased this bag back in 2012, I think. Guess that's about right. But yeah, and that's another thing. I just can't see me paying $1,600 for this canvas bag, because I'll never forget when I was walking out of Louis Vuitton and Lenox Mall, this lady said to me, she was like, I like Louis Vuitton, but I prefer Gucci, because Gucci can sell you an all leather bag for the same price as the canvas. And she kind of had a point, But at the time, I was new to Louis Vuitton, so I wasn't even trying to hear what she had to say. But now looking back, I get what she was saying. This here is not an all leather bag. This here is a canvas bag. This here bag is almost $2,000 on the Louis Vuitton website. Go on to Gucci and get an all leather tote. But like I said, back then, that's what I was into. I'm still into Louis Vuitton and Gucci, but I get what she was saying. I just wanted to get on here and share a update on my Neverfull. If you are new to Louis Vuitton, or even if you're not new to Louis Vuitton and you like, hey, Miss Tamika, which one would you pick, a Speedy or a Neverfull? The Neverfull first, and then I probably would get the Speedy down the line, because at least with the Neverfull, you could use this bag multiple ways. You could use it as a work bag, you could use it as a mommy bag, a school bag, a shopping tote. Like, you can use this bag all different types of ways. Speedy, if you're not looking to purchase the one with the strap, I wouldn't even waste my money, because I don't care what nobody say. Any bags that don't have a strap and you carrying the crook of your arm, eventually you will get tired. My dream bag was a Birkin, and I done saw those bags. Like, those bags are really expensive, but they are popping up so much to the point where I'm like, I don't even know if I want that bag anymore. Like, I remember I used to dream of that bag. It's one of those bags that you carry in the crook of your arm, and for me to invest over $10,000 for a bag I could see me eventually getting tired of, I was just like, I don't know about the Birkin anymore. You all able to purchase a Birkin, I probably would take that money and get a tummy tuck or something like so. Now the Birkin is not my dream bag anymore. Like, I'm just thankful and grateful to have what I have, but that Birkin was like my dream bag. Carrying that Speedy, I was like, thank God I purchased the one with the strap, because there's a lot of times when I'm shopping and I'm out and I'm carrying it in the crook of my arm, I'm carrying it handheld, and I'm like, you know what, on my shoulder, or let me put it, you know, wear a crossbody, because y'all, let me tell you, you may walk out the house cute with your crook of the arm bag or your handheld bag, but I'm telling you, by the end of the day, you like, shit, this here thing is heavy. With that being said, you all, I just wanted to get on here and, you know, let y'all know I'm still loving my Neverfull. So like I was saying, my Neverfull would be my first pick, Speedy would be my second, and then so forth and so forth. If you don't want to pay for the Speedy, expensive than what I paid, I probably would go for the Graceful PM or the MM, because they are kind of similar in size, as far as, you know, how much you can put in those particular bags. Well, that was everything far as my bag reviews. Like I said, I wanted to share what happened with my Steve Madden bag, just in case you all are looking to purchase one. Wanted to let y'all know what's been going on with my Louis Vuitton, because, you know, I've been purchasing a lot of bags, but I also need to revisit a lot of my older bags. Being said, you all, if you like this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Get to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.